Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to see the enemies better in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly I will show you some tricks. For that you need to go to settings, and you need to increase your FOV settings here. So you can put it between 75 to 90. I will just put it 85. What this does is that it will give you more screen, so it will zoom out and it will show you more screen so that you will be able to see the enemies on the corner. And the second thing, the trick is that there is an option called, wait a second, I'm trying to find it. Wait a second. The perspective teammate. This is an option here. So what this does is that it shows you your teammates, but the trick is that you will be able to see the enemies when the enemy shoot your teammate. You will be able to see where the enemy is coming from. So I will show you how it works. It is used for seeing your own teammates, but it can be used against your own enemy, and I will show you how you can do that. Once you see that your teammate has been died, you can expect an enemy to come from there. So as you can see your teammates, and if they are shooting, you will be able to see that the enemy is coming from there.
Front line.
So there you go. You can see your teammates and where they are shooting, so that way you can check where the enemies